Okay, let's create our custom menus. When you talk about custom menus, there are menus like this, whereby you realize that when Microsoft Access opens, it usually have its own menus. For instance, if, for example, we open this one, and then we can uh, return to normal module. You can turn to our normal module. You see there are some menus here, but for this one I have customized in that when I have here, I'm in a position to open my menus, customized menus. So basically what you need to do, if for instance I open one of these, if I open a system like this one, then for one reason or the other, I have my menus. I have all my menus around here. Just try to see what happens. Like that. If now I launch this system again, notice that, just a moment, we can also open another one. Can go to a menu like this one. Good. Now if you look at this system here, it has normal menus. These are Microsoft menus, but I want to create my own menus to accommodate. For instance, if I want to have the programs, the programs will automatically open without actually really going to the navigation pane. So how do you go about it? You just go to this point. You see this point? The customize quick access toolbar, then go to more commands. This dialog box appears. So what you need to do is to go to this point, customize ribbon. Then down here on your left bottom corner, there is new tab, and also there is new group and rename. So basically what you need to do is to create the new tab. So now here I have created a new tab. Once I create this new tab, I just right click on the new tab, then rename. Now this one will be, I can call this one program details or programs. I click on OK. Then the next thing, I can create a tab or a group. Like now this one is a group there. I can just rename this one as details, program details. Then I can also create now the youth details. So I can create another one, can return this, then come to this point, create a new tab. This new tab is called youths. So rename. This is youths. I click on OK. On this tab, I can just call it youth details. Youth details. Now the next thing, after having done this, if I click on OK, you realize that up here I have created programs, I have created youths. You see, these are the new tabs. Then I will hide these ones and left with mine. The next thing, to put the commands here, you need to create macros. So you go to create, then macro. Here I want to open form. Open form, then you press tab. Here I want to open program details. So that is program details, Control S. This is, I can just call it programs. Then cross that macro, create another macro, create macros. This is again open form. Then here it is, I choose the form name. The form name here is youth details. Youth details. Then I click on Control C. I press Control, then youths, like that. Now you continue doing that. Like for instance, certificate, list of certificates. You can still create macros. Then the next and the last step is to go back to the quick access toolbar, go to more commands. This time round, here you choose macros, and here first of all you go to customize ribbon, then here you choose macros. You see all your macros even if they are 100, then press them accordingly. Like now, if I press on this plus here, I want to add programs on details, so I click on programs, then add. It will become here, so I can now minimize that. Again, click the plus sign, click on youth details, put the youth, add. You see now the youth goes there, then okay. If now I click here, I'm in a position to see details tab, and when I click on it, you see it's opening, it's working. Again, when I go to youths, I have the youth details tab where youths is found. So when I click youths, the youths come. So basically that's how you go about it. Lastly, once you do that, you hide these others, you remove them. Go back to more commands, and here go back to customize and remove the unwanted that is the unwanted tabs, and click on OK. You see now I'm left with file, programs, and youths. And so even if I have many macros here, I can now hide this part. In that, I can now only operate from this point. So this is how you go about customizing customizing the ribbon for your own benefits. Let me just return them back, since I will require them when working with Microsoft Access. So that's how you go about it.